Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about both dating friends and chat application. So you can download this application from Google Play Store or App Store, and after that you can search and bow dating friends chat. Okay, so if you see that the rating of the 4.1 out of 5, so when you get any app, the app is more than 4, you consider that the app is really amazing, and 997k reviews. Okay, and 55 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million people already download this app or use this app. So the dating app to match, chat, make friends and meet people by personality. So you'll find here many type people. So like if you want to check the screenshot, then you can see meet new people, date, make friends. You can make friends with stranger, flirting tips. So you can also get tips how you can flirt with your partner, X-ray vision. So many things is available. And if you really want to learn more about this app, then go to about this application and you will see many things here. And the app is released 2020, not too long. And understanding anyone's compatibility, strengths, weakness. So here are some tips. They gave you some tips to get a partner. And if you really want to get a reviews what people actually think about this app, then go here positive reviews, and they replied all the feedback and one negative reviews. And after that it's really easy, and I will upload more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.